Hello, welcome back to Global Business Europe. There are many facets to the international rollout of coronavirus vaccines. The German company Va-Q-tec has been instrumental in the transportation of vaccines from cities to the most remote corners of the world with their thermal insulation containers. Natalie Carney reports.
As global cases of COVID-19 approaches the 100 million mark, the need for vaccines is urgent. While biotech and pharmaceutical developers rush to meet supply demands, logistic companies and healthcare professionals race to get them into the arms of the world's billions. Va-Q-tec is an integral part of all this. As one of the global leaders in temperature control logistics, their fleet of containers and boxes are the only ones that can transport at sub-zero temperatures independent of electricity.
These containers behind me are something like a very, very big thermos bottle. They are vacuum insulated in the walls, and then you have some temperature storage material inside, and these two components enable the container to transport a good inside for 5 to 10 days at a constant temperature, whatever it is. It can be plus 20, plus 5, minus 20, minus 40, even minus 70, which is now very important in these days of corona.
The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine requires refrigeration of minus 70 degrees Celsius, and with other inoculations also needing to be kept at low temperatures, Va-Q-tec's temperature-sustainable containers are invaluable.
Many German companies have been at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, from vaccination development to protective equipment to the international shipment of inoculations. Va-Q-tec has seen their business soar since the onset of the pandemic, from first sending out testing kits at the early stages to now working with some of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies on their vaccination rollouts.
The pandemic for all of us came as a surprise, so we had to ramp up quickly. We had to quickly meet the needs of the vaccine or test kit distribution. Sometimes we are very deeply involved in many trade lanes. Sometimes we are only a part of this international distribution. However, we play an important part in this distribution globally, internationally, with most of the vaccines which are now on the market.
One of their biggest challenges has been the travel disruption and border closures caused by COVID-19 restrictions. Va-Q-tec's technology has now evolved to deal with any unexpected delays their transports might face. With 2 factories in Germany, 7 subsidiaries, and 40 temperature change service centers around the world, including one in Shanghai, the company is aiming to produce 10,000 pallet-sized containers to help facilitate the ever-growing COVID-19 vaccine market.
75% of our business is now temperature-controlled logistics. Now, in terms of corona, you really see and feel, and everybody understands the needs of this key technology. And we are very happy to use the containers after COVID for the rest of the drugs which have to be shipped around the world.
In Europe, vaccines from both Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna have been given the green light, and there is hope that the AstraZeneca-Oxford University vaccine will get European approval by the end of the month. Natalie Carney, CGTN, Würzburg.